This is what Marilda Packer, CEO of CITS, has to say about Visionnaire.
Visionnaire has partnered with CITS for many years in a variety of ways, mainly systems development, outsourcing, and special projects. Visionnaire has a differentiated team in technological domains. We always find in the Visionnaire team professionals with the full knowledge of innovative technologies required by the market, as well as highly specialized knowledge and management with agile and efficient methodologies and processes.